you got to say, buddy? Huh? Huh? You look like you've been fighting again. Yeah, these little girls are picking your nuts. You see the bottom. So clean. I got a nice little thing of cherry tomatoes. The peppers are already I just picked a bunch. Should have recorded that, but this is my Aquponics garden. It's Big Joe's Outdoors. All my peppers are reflowering. I do have a caterpillar hanging out in here. So, damn it, that's an okra plant. Oh well. Put him in the pond with the catfish have him. I think I can replant this little guy. I put a few okra plants on this side, but that's what I wanted to show today. I've been growing okra in here. Stick him in between the rocks. Hope he does good. So we got okra to pick. I did have a vine borer kill my zucchinis and squash, so I just reseeded it with okra too, since okra can be planted this time of year because they can tolerate the high heat. I got okra. I just threw seeds all over in here, so nothing's precise, but we do have some okra. We got a flower about to come out right there. Flower is about to come out right here. Well, it's not quite time to start trimming stuff, but we can take this big boy off. Knock a few leaves out of the way. Nice okra there. It's easier to do with a knife. I got a few small ones coming up in between here, so I probably do need to do a little. Here's how I do my okra. Let me see if I can get in here to show you. If there's a leaf on it and there's an okra on it, you don't need that leaf no more. So that goes away. This will cause these things to shoot up. Now I know this is high off the ground for okra. I mean, it's already 3 feet up, and these things get 6-7 feet tall. So put the okra in the packet. Put the other okra in the packet. But the aquaponics garden is doing good. I got another one right here I'm gonna harvest. Take a knife, quick little jab. Good to go. Put it in the pocket. Take your leaves. Anything that looks bad, go ahead and get rid of. Because they're not doing you any good anyway. There's another one right here. And the leaf below it is already dead, so we cut it off too. Put it in the ground where the mud hole is. I think I'm going to go ahead and get this one too, because I want enough for dinner tonight, or at least something extra for dinner. It fell in the mud, didn't it? Oh well. Let me take one quick look up here, see if it fell up here. Yep. It fell in the mud. They're doing pretty good. They're about a few weeks old. They're working out. It is also time to harvest mint. There's some onion bulbs growing down there. I don't know what the heck this weed is. It's a weed. Weed in my garden. And that whole pot's weed. Bye, weeds. We can harvest mint from here. Oh, there's actually one of my pepper plants. I'm getting drowned by the. Ugh. I'd say that's a dead. This is water lettuce. It's nothing but a filter. There's way too much of it in here, so we can get rid of some of it. There's a little green spot over there. I mean, yeah, pigeons, quit wasting feet. Why are you doing that? Oh my God, I'm breaking stuff. Ugh, stepped on my little tree down here. Let's see if we can see some fish. Yeah, I definitely got to cut this back. It's growing into the water. You know what, I'm going to cut some of it while I'm out here. It looks like I got snails living in here. Great. I need to kill those. I seen a perch in here a minute ago. It's too dark with all the green on top of it. Yeah, my little onions bulged out. Probably could take them out and dry them and regrow them when it gets time. Got a tomato plant in here. Yeah, I need to do some weeding in here. Not a biggie. The little tomato plant fell off its hanger, but it don't matter. Threw some mint down here. I don't think it took off. I think it's too wet. Too wet! It's a funny term when you're doing aquaponics, but it's too wet on the ground around here to grow anything, so I grow in this thing. Cherry tomatoes. Assassin bugs. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, here's all the little ones. I just see these earlier this week, man. They took off fast. Those took forever to come up. These are no time. I guess the temperature really does matter when it comes to okra. So, it should be good with those. It's going to take over the whole thing, I think. I don't mind. I like okra. Yeah, I got to do some mint trimming. And so, I need dirt. Anybody want to bring dirt to my house? Here's my cucumbers. They're not doing so great. And then my lemon trees keep falling over. I think if I do revamp my system here again, it's going to be put on that concrete slab over there where the Jeep is. And I might give a go at growing trees in it. We'll see about that. So that was my aquaponics video. Just another update on it. I know it's been few and far between on these things, but there's not a lot to report. You keep your fish fed, you keep your peppers and your tomatoes picked, your okra picked, and your mint definitely needs to be trimmed back a lot. And it's going to get hot for it too, so it may end up dying off before I get to use it. But I use it for teas. I like spearmint tea. And that looked like a snake. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And get back. Get back. Get back. Girl, how you out? Oh well. Thanks for watching.